Hi, hello, and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today I want to show you how the Facebook comment scraper works. So, if you purchase the software, you will have 131 modules so far. And one of the ones that we're going to be showing you is here on the posting, in the posting menu on Facebook, and the Facebook comment scraper. So basically, you will put the HTML code for the comments, and here is going to extract everything for you, which is going to give you the username, the comment, the links, and so on. So I will just show you how this works. So if you go to Facebook and you go to any, let's say, page or whatever, sometimes they give you like sponsored content. The sponsored content is basically people that paid in order to get the leads that they want. Most of the time, let's say, for example, this one, they probably paid in order to get people to click on the content. So these people is people that is interested in this kind of product. In this case, ClickFunnels. This is just an example. Obviously, you could use any other page, but this will give you a ton of different people that commented there. So these people, it's really targeted traffic because they already like or they already purchased this product or they are interested in this kind of service. In this case, this allows you to do funnels and basically these people is already interested. So wouldn't be nice that if we were able to get the contact information or the links for these people on a table and then we can contact these people later? So that's why I created this module. So to use this let's say software, what you do is you right click on this, you click on inspect element, and this is going to load you the Firefox page so you could start analyzing content. So you click on this corner, the inspect thing, and you go on top of this one. If you check, you will have these things here, and whenever you hover over there, it's going to be showing you what is it that you're selecting. So I'm selecting the element that contains everything. So this div contains everything that is selected. If I go more up, I'm going to be having more information until I found this one. If you see, this is a UL element that contains everything inside there. So if I right click on this, this contains all the comments that are inside here. So I just select UL, right click, and then I do Control A to copy everything, Control C, Control A to select everything, Control C to copy it, come back here and paste it. Once I paste it, I just put get comments users. And this is get me the username, it get me the comment, it get me the user link, the image, the Facebook ID, the reactions, the timestamp when the comment was made, how long ago, and then if it's the main comment or if it's a reply to that comment, and the post link. So if you are able to get back to that link and see if there are more comments there in the future. So this is just one sample. Let's say if you wanted to do another one, you clear this, you clear that, and then you come back here. You go to a different set of comments. Let's say this one doesn't have comments. This one has 22 comments. So let's just go to that one. Click on the comments. You will start scrolling down there, see more comments, and you have if you want to get the replies as well, you hit reply, and now you come back here, you select this one, you select this, and then again you go to where the UL div is, which would be this one. In this case, the class might change, but what you have to make sure is that whenever I select that UL, it's selecting everything. If it is, then it means that all the comments are contained inside this tag. So I right click on this, edit as HTML, Control A, Control C, come back here, paste it, and I just click get comments users. And this get me all the comments, all the links, and all the information. Also, who did the comment, the user link, how many reactions that comment had. It give me all the information that I need. So the ones that I don't want, I could just remove them. And then, because these people is already, let's say, interested on the product, I could just go check if they are interested. So what doesn't ads? Love it. I will buy it. So this people is interested. So here is the username and the user link. So I can just visit that and then contact that user. Same thing for all the other ones. So the ones that are not interested, you could just remove them. So delete that. And then you only contact the people that it's interested on the product, and then you could offer them your service or your product. This it's going to save you a lot of money because you don't have to do let's say the ads yourself. You just have to go and send them and message to these people because they are already interested in that product. So that way you could pretty much make money just by offering a product similar to something that they already purchased or something that they already want to purchase. For example, this guy, well, an awesome ad, love it, I will buy it. So this guy might buy it. So what you could do is, if you have a similar product to what you're what they are selling, you could go tell them, hey, instead of buying that one, buy mine. It has better options or whatever. And so you're basically using the fact that they paid for the ad to get this lead, and you're just basically using the lead for you, so you could send them a message to offer your product. So they paid, and you get the benefits from that. So if you want to get this software, you could get it on autopostingtools.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day.